Matlab they were not able to complete the test or there was any error. Anyone who is there?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Quickly give me your attendance. Abul. Anil. Ansh. You have joined two devices or what? Your voice is echoing. Please come on one device. Avantika. Mishti.
Present.
Mohak.
Present, ma'am.
Rajveer.
Yes, ma'am.
Sanjeevani.
Present, ma'am.
Suryansh.
Present, ma'am.
Priyansh. Swastik.
Present, ma'am.
Vanchita.
Present, ma'am.
Harsh Yadav.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, Ane, you have come today in the month of July in my class. Where were you till now?
Ma'am, my is present.
Okay, Saransh, I have marked you present. Shriyansh, I'm
Ma'am,
asking. Shriyansh.
present.
Rajveer, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, he's there.
Ma'am, I'm present. Ma'am,
Yeah,
I Rajvi.
I got it, Rajveer. You are present. Okay, so Avantika is not there. Adiba and Shriyansh. Yes. Ane, where were you till now?
Ma'am, Nani's house.
Okay, then you can contact me anytime and I'll explain you the chapter which we have done last week. The chapter is about to finish off. We have almost covered everything. Just one small topic is left, that is germination. So I hope you all have brought some seeds with you all.
Yes, ma'am.
Please stay muted.
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Please stay muted.
Wait. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
We have given you the homework to bring some seeds and you should bring it as you are at home only. So please try to collect, ask somebody at your home to collect and give. There are some rules to study. Please focus on that. First, oh wow, Abul, that's very great.
Mama, Sanjeevni has brought
Yeah,
seeds.
wow, Sanjeevni has also shared. Good. Now everybody will explain their seeds. Wait, I'll ask you all to explain your seeds, okay? To name your seeds, whatever you are having, whatever you have collected.
Ma'am, Swastik.
Okay, then Swaste, good. Well done. Very nice. Okay, so there are some rules to study online now. And you all have to bear that rules with me as I am also doing some rules. Some rules are for me, so some rules are there for you also. Rule number one, you have to switch on your camera all the time. Rule number two, you have to stay straight at one place. Rule number three, your audio should stay muted. Rule number four, whenever the question will be raised after the question, the concerned name will be asked from the child and that child will only answer. The name which is called out by the teacher, that child will only answer. Okay? Number one is switch on your camera. Number two, sit straight one place. As I am sitting with you all, you have to sit at with me the same way. Number 3, you have to stay muted whenever the question is asked. Whenever the question is asked, after the question, the name will be called out, and the name of the child that I call out or that any teacher call out, only that person will come unmute and answer. And again, after answering, go and stay muted. Because the background creates disturbance. When the classes are getting recorded, the background is creating disturbance. Okay? Is it clear to you all? Give me thumbs up. Yeah. Am I clear to you all?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So last day we have. Okay. So in the last class we have covered some topic that was the structure of leaf, and very beautifully some of you have drawn leaf. I've seen all of you, and the ones who have sent the diagram but not colored, you all can take your time and keep on using your time and color it. Okay, before the chapter ends, your work should be complete. Many of you have given me the homework, many of you have not sent the homework. So the ones who have not sent, they know themselves, do send it. Shuryansh, please come on the screen. Mishti, you all can show your seats by switching your camera backside. Go to the 3 dots on the upper side, click on that, switch your camera on for the back side, and then show your seeds. Everybody, quickly, those who have collected the seeds, show me your seeds, and everybody please stay muted. Okay, Mishti, what is collected by you? Can you please name that seed? Mishti, can you please name that seed, whatever you have collected with you?
Ma'am, this is apple seed and this is coranda seed.
Good. Suryansh, keep your chart on the bed side or wherever you are sitting on the table side and turn off your camera backside and show.
Ma'am, I am using laptop.
Okay, same as with me. I cannot turn my camera backside. That's okay, Suryansh. I'll come back to you. Yes, Abul, can you please name your seeds? Whichever seeds you are carrying with you.
Yes, ma'am.
Please name, show, lift one piece of that grain or seed and show and name it.
Ma'am, this is a kidney bean.
Yeah, right. This is kidney beans.
Ma'am, ma'am, that's fenugreek.
Fenugreek. Okay.
Ma'am, this is a cumin.
Cumin. Okay. You have collected spices also. Fine.
Ma'am, this is a mustard.
Mustard. Rai ke dane. Fine.
Ma'am, cinnamon.
Cinnamon. Okay. Black seed. Ma'am, black seed. Anything else, Abul? No, ma'am. Okay, good. Who else? Sanjeevni, coming back to you. Can you please show?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, this is green gram.
You can pick one seed from that bunch and show, please.
Ma'am, this is kidney bean.
Okay, Rajma.
Ma'am, this is groundnut. Ma'am, this is almond.
Okay, Badam.
Ma'am, this is black gram.
Okay.
Ma'am, this is green gram.
Mm-hmm.
And ma'am, this is gram.
Okay, good. Ane, can you please sit straight? Ansh, have you collected any seed? Okay, I'll come back to you later. Rajveer,
Yes, ma'am.
collected anything?
Ma'am, I have no seed.
We have many seeds at home. Dry seeds, gehu, rajma, chana, moong. All these are seeds only, Rajveer. Okay, I want it tomorrow from you. Yes, Vanshita?
Ma'am, I have not brought.
You have not collected. Good. You are at home, then there is no use of being at home. No, if you cannot collect. Within 3 days, you should collect. Saransh? Saransh, have you collected? Saransh, have you collected any seeds? Please answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Show, please.
Ma'am, I have seed. Which is
Please show, Saransh. Okay, can you please name these seeds?
Ma'am, showing. Ma'am, this is gram.
Chana. Okay.
And this is mutton.
Mutter, right. Kidney beans.
And this is rajma.
Yeah, kidney beans, fine.
Ma'am, this is chola.
Yeah,
Chola
good.
kasana.
Good. Yeah. Yash Yadav. Thank you, Saransh. Good. Have you collected any seeds?
Ma'am.
Yes or no?
Ma'am.
Very good to say no. You're proud of saying no, I think. That's okay. You can collect and show me tomorrow. Okay, Shriyansh, have you collected?
Yes, ma'am.
Please show. Saransh, please come on network and show. I think there is an issue. Suryansh, coming to you. Have you collected?
Yes, ma'am.
Please show. Okay. Which of these you have collected? Please put your finger and tell.
Ma'am, this is wheat. This is rice.
Okay.
This is maize.
Hmm.
And this is gram.
Hmm.
This is kidney beans.
Hmm.
This is peanut.
Okay.
This is pulses.
Hmm.
This is mustard seed.
Hmm.
And this is pea.
Good. Okay. Mohak, have you collected anything? Mohak, quickly, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Show.
Ma'am, this is peanut. Ma'am, this is peanut.
Hmm.
Ma'am, this is gram.
Okay.
This is corn.
Okay.
Ma'am, this is wheat.
Okay.
Ma'am, this is rice.
Okay.
Ma'am, this.
Good. You have packed it in small poly bags or what?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, this is my Hindi book.
Okay. Swastik, have you collected anything?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell.
Ma'am, this is rajma seed.
Hmm.
Ma'am, this is chola seed.
Hmm.
This is mustard seed.
Hmm.
This is wheat seed. Ma'am, this is cinnamon seed.
Okay, good. Shriyansh, coming back to you. Shriyansh has taken the picture. He's very clever. Okay, what is the first one, Shriyansh?
Ma'am, first one is ma'am corn.
Okay. Second.
Ma'am beans.
Okay. Third.
Ma'am peas.
Okay. Fourth.
Ma'am coriander.
Okay. Thank you. Very nice. Okay, Shriyansh, stay muted and come on camera. That is very good. Those who have collected, that is very nice to see that you all have tried a lot and collected. Now your homework regarding this will be, you will make small transparent packets. Rajvi, please wait, I'll come back to you. You will make small transparent packets and you will put that seeds into it, staple that polythene, paste it in your notebook on the plain side and write the name. Is it clear? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
You
Yes,
can say
ma'am.
yes like this. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
that was very good. Now I will explain you a little bit about it. A seed. Every seed has a outer covering. Seed is used for germination also. Every seed has a outer covering that is known as seed coat. Like we have an outer covering in our body and that is known as skin. So the same way the seed has the outer covering, and that is called seed coat. Okay, it protects the seed. Fine. When it is raining, human body protects themselves from by using umbrella and raincoats. In the same way, seed coat, matlab the body, the outer covering of the seed protects the seed. So there are two sides of the body, like we have left and right. So the two sides, one side of the seed is called scar, and the place is attached to it, its fruit. Have you all seen the diagram of seed coat? See? Yes. Have you all seen the diagram?
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I want. Okay.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. What is the germination? The growth of a baby plant from a seed is called generation. What is the process? Ma'am, I've shown you the seed that was having a tail. Have you seen that? On Tuesday, ma'am has shown you.
Yes,
If yes,
ma'am.
then you go like this. You're not required to unmute and speak in this case. If you have seen, you can show your thumb. Ma'am shown you the moong and the chana that was soaked in water for some time and then packed in a cotton cloth, and it came to as ankurat, sprouts. So there was a tail, that white tail. What happens is if we will dig that seed in the like in the mud, मिट्टी में जब हम उस सीड को डिग करेंगे तो व्हाट हैपेंस इज वो वाटर को एब्जॉर्ब करता है और सी होल के थ्रू उसकी जो टेल होती है वो नीचे की तरफ गिरती है, और जब वो नीचे की तरफ गिरती है तो व्हाट हैपेंस, द सीड टेल comes downside and seed grows upside. So seed starts growing and the tail grows downside, that converts into root. And when that root is growing inside part, it's becoming stronger by absorbing soil, minerals, and water, and that seed is coming upward. Then that seed is growing through the leaves on the stem. Okay, these seeds are only being digged up in the soil, and these only grow and converts into plants. If we will dig the coriander seed, धनिया की seed अगर हम मिट्टी में डिग करेंगे तो क्या होगा, तो वो कुछ दिन बाद उस धनिया का पेड़ बन जाएगा. Is it okay? So the growth of a baby plant from a seed is called germination. In the same way, in human beings, that process is called reproduction. The growth of a the growth of a human being of its own kind is called reproduction, and the growth of a baby plant from that seed is called what? Vanchita, what?
Germination.
Yes, Sanjeevani, it's called germination.
And germination.
Now you have to practice one activity at home, and you all will click the picture. Okay, you will put some gram seeds on the dry soil. Okay, dry soil means you will take one bowl, you will put some dry soil, means mud, mitti, khad. Fine, mitti and khad. There are some plants or the garden at your home. What you will do is you will take some dry mud or dry soil and you will put it in a bowl, and you will put that soil in that bowl, and then you will place some gram seeds on it. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what you all will do is, you will put that under the sunlight and air for some time, and you will see what is happening. Like today, sorry, not yeah, today in the evening, if you will do this, and then tomorrow in the evening, click the picture and update me what happens. Fine. Only air and sunlight will be provided. You will keep that bowl full of soil and grams near your window or in your garden, wherever that sunlight is coming and air is coming. Okay. And you will click that picture and you will send it tomorrow evening that what is happening with it. Fine. You will not put any water. Not a single drop will be poured on it. Now the second condition will be, you will then that is natural. You will see there are some conditions. Wait. Now what you will do, you will put 2 seeds. You will soak 2 bowls. Okay. First bowl will be some gram seeds on dry soil. Okay. You will keep it near your window pane where the air and sunlight can reach. Now second will be some soaked seeds where it will be wet soil. The soil will have some amount of water. Not much, but it should be wet soil. And in that you will soak some seeds and you will put some water. No sunlight should reach. In the second bowl, no sunlight should reach, only little bit of air and water will be provided. And now in the third bowl, what will you do is, you will soak some seeds in the bowl and you will add some water and you will cover it with a layer of oil. You will put one thin layer of oil above that and you will place it in the sunlight. You will pour the water in it and you will give the sunlight. This activity is also given on page 19. There are 4 steps through which we can observe that what is required by the seeds to grow. Okay. There are 4 steps. In one step, only air and sunlight is provided. In the second step, air and water is provided, sunlight is not provided. In the third step, sunlight and water is provided, but there is no air. We are covering that bowl with a lid. And in the fourth step, we are giving it water, air, and sunlight all together. So when your seed will absorb water, air, and sunlight, then only it will grow. That is why it is called plant need air, water, and sunlight to grow. Leaves need sunlight to prepare the food. Then only it will provide the food to the plant. to the whole plant. It was discussed on Tuesday also that first our mother cooked the food in the kitchen, then it is served to the dining table, and then it is served in our plates. Then we eat it and it goes through our throat to the stomach. Yes, from the mouth to our throat and then stomach. So there is a step-by-step working on the preparation of the food at home. In the same way, the plant also needs sunlight, the green pigment in good quantity. If the plant is having some different color pigment, it will turn in some different color. Okay. So the green pigment is called chlorophyll, and the sunlight is absorbed by the leaves to prepare food for the plant. So this activity of germination of seed you will perform at home, and you will see in which step it is properly growing. You will place 2, 3, 4 small bowls, and in every step there will be some difference. First one will consume only air and sunlight, no water. Second one will consume only air and water, no sunlight. It should be kept inside the house. Third will be when water and sunlight will be provided, but no air. We will put a lid on that bowl to cover it, so that no air should reach. And in the fourth, what we will do, we'll provide water, we'll put it in outside in the garden, and we will also provide sunlight to it. We will keep it in the place where sunlight will reach, and we will water it also. So we'll see the difference that which one is growing and which one is not growing. Is it okay? And you will
Okay,
send the pictures accordingly. All 4 pictures I want.
excuse me, ma'am.
Whenever it will grow. I'm not asking that today you do it and tomorrow you will send me the picture. You can take 1 week to do that, because if the plant which is growing will not grow in 1 day, it will take 2, 3 days. Fine. So the next topic, so the next and the last foremost topic is how to take care of the plants. Plants are very important for us, because if the plants will not be here, we cannot have fresh air and we cannot breathe. And if living things will not breathe, then we cannot survive. So we should water our plants regularly. Okay? We should water our plants regularly. Whether we have 5, 10 plants or we have a beautiful garden, no matter, we should regular our plants regularly. We should water our plants regularly. Number 1, we should never cut the plants uselessly, and we should never cut it, whether uselessly or due to use, but we should not cut the plants. Number 3, we should keep in mind that proper sunlight is reaching to the plant. Leaf is absorbing proper sunlight. The plants should be planted in such a place that there should good amount of sunlight is reaching at that place. Tomorrow I'll connect you from my phone and I'll take you all to the place where my plants are planted. Okay, so you all can see that how spacious that area is, and whether the sunlight and proper area is there to grow or not. So sunlight should be plants should be placed in the place where the proper sunlight should be there, and it should have good space to grow. We should keep plants in some distance so it grows beautifully and nicely. We should add manure to the plants to provide nutrients. हमें plants पे खाद डाल के उसको चलाते रहना चाहिए, हर 2 दिन में, हर 3 दिन में, हर 1 वीक में. अगर हम उसको न्यूट्रिएंट्स नहीं प्रोवाइड करा पाएंगे तो अच्छे से ग्रो नहीं कर पाएंगे. Plants grow with the help of the nutrients and soil. We have seen travel. What is travel? You all know what is travel?
No, ma'am.
Okay, I'm showing you what is travel. Wait.
Ma'am, Khurpi.
Mohan, did I ask?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can I? Ma'am, I have seeds.
Wait.
Can I show?
This is, can you all see?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it
Yes,
visible to you
ma'am.
all?
Yes, ma'am.
This
Yes,
is
ma'am.
travel
Yes, ma'am.
to dig the
Yes,
plants
ma'am.
regularly.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, I have this.
Yeah. The ones who are planting the trees very nicely had as this. Okay, I'll share you one image of it on group if you cannot see, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this trowel helps to turn up the soil regularly. When our mother cooked the food, she used some utensils to turn the vegetables and to mix all the herbs and spices in that. Is it right? So that spices reach the whole the ingredients, all the ingredients mix properly. Is it right? In the same way, trowel is used to turn up the soil. Trowel is used to turn up the soil, and when so that it mixes properly and it reaches to the whole soil and the roots properly. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now the homework will be number one. Number one, the grams, the seeds which you have collected, you will pack it in small transparent packets and you will stick it in your notebook and you will write the name of that seed. Number two, I will give you 2 to 3 questions on the topic that we have discussed today. We have done 4 to 5 questions previously regarding the topics that we have covered previously. So today, the topic which we have covered, I will give you the questions regarding that topic, and you will, in continuation, you will write the question and the answer will be written by you. Anna, can you please sit straight? Why you need to lie down? I don't understand. So you all will do this homework. Second, third thing, I will share you one link of bastagold.com. Bastagold.com. Anna, I can hear you. I will share you one link with you all, that is sample test paper of science on bastagold.com, and then you all will solve that paper. You all have to go in once and you have to solve that. If you will log in once and then again if you all will try it, it will not get logged in. Your link will get expired. You have to go on at once and solve that. You will click that link. It will go to that page of Basta Gold student login. Then you will put your email ID and password, and then your test will start. Take the correct option of first, submit, next, then second, submit, next. In the same way, if you when you'll answer all the questions, you will put final submit, and your paper will save and the result will come to me. Is it okay?
Yes.
And if you have provided Basta Goal ID,
Ma'am, can I show
Ane,
the?
is your Basta Goal ID ready?
No, ma'am.